Two carrier round ones from 1987 here.
We got a Tempstar right here.
Also got an LG. Tempstar.
1987 carrier round.
There's data on it. They have not appeared
It's a
to be running.
3-ton.
Carlisle compressor.
They have two Carlisle J series compressors on them.
Data sheet. It's from 1987.
This is
November
a 2.5 ton.
It's a 2.5.
This one probably is as well.
It's great on these guys.
I'd imagine these are the same because they look the same.
Here's the logo. I mean, it's a little faded, but it's in pretty good shape for being 35 plus years old.
I do not think
1987. 2.5
Yeah, no, they're not.
ton. Let's see if that's not been running.
We're here with HVAC Explorations, Compact HVAC,
coil there.
HVAC and more at your service.
and HVAC Productions.
Here we have a newer Tempstar. This probably replaced one of the round ones.
Yeah, I would imagine.
Yeah, this is from
But I think the
2018.
one that it replaced is probably a little bit larger because this one's a 3-ton and those are 2.5.
It's a 2018. It's a let's see. No, it's a
Anyway,
3-ton. Yeah, it's
just figured I'd film these real quick. I would stick around if they'd been running, but I don't think they have been.
Comsy compressor?
Yeah, I think
Or is
Carlisle?
Look at the terminals. They have the triangle shape.
Oh, we got more stuff back here. We got 2 CKCs and another round one.
It's like CKC's here, another round.
One's off. Both these are from 2004. I don't think I got the year on this. 87. Got a Payne Teardrop and an Armstrong Aire. This has a Copeland compressor in it. From 2000s. From 2022. This is almost brand new. Got a little one right here.
We have another Comfortmaker.
These are brand new. They're from 2022. Though.
6-bladed. I can't really see inside that well. 87, 2-ton. We got a Comfortmaker and a Grand Aire right here running. 2022 2-ton. And this one is also a 2-ton from 2022. Nice new copper.
I used to stand here. Be careful that walk. Stuff like that. Walking that stuff like that.